Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, and today we're going to talk about yet another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. Super excited about this one. A lot of us have been waiting a really long time because the ECU Flash stuff has been holding us up, but we're going to talk about our Stage 2 Exterminator Kits for the 2020 and newer Wildcat XX models. Stage 2 Exterminator Kit for the Wildcat XXs comes with some really cool parts. Starting it off, we have our Hypershift Clutch Kit. This is our new and revised Hypershift Clutch Kit setup, where we really focused on the anti-jerkiness, the anti-chatteriness, just getting a really smooth, buttery engagement and drive off and cruising speed setup, and still packing all that punch and all that bang when you're hard in the gas, deep in the gas, and you want to race your buddies, still giving you that Speedwerx power and performance everybody wants and loves. So yeah, Hypershift Clutch Kit there. Then what was holding this thing up the longest is our ECU Flash and reprogramming. Lots of options there, you know, different timing, different fuel curve, speeding up the throttle by wire, we turn the fans on sooner, we raise the speed limiter, we raise the rev limiter. There's all kinds of details just on that on our website. You can check it out, but that's included. And this flash is specifically for, you know, our different intake, our different exhaust, and the different mufflers that we offer. It's the Stage 2 specific ECU Flash. Then we get into our high flow air intake, which is a completely, it looks just like the stock one, but it's a completely different Donaldson air filter setup. We do offer a twin air foam air filter option to go with it. So if you want to have a washable and reusable filter with the foam one, like on a lot of dirt bikes, something you can oil, keep all the dust and all the fine particles out of your intake, you can upgrade to that with that intake as well. And then we have our 3-in-1 stainless steel header. The header is a really important part to this package as well. If you look at the horsepower curve that'll pop up on the video here, you'll see we fill in that dip down in the bottom end by around 5,500 RPM. The header alone is what fills in that torque dip there. Really helps with that, and then carries the power all the way out to the big end there too. Then when we get down to the mufflers, you have two options, both 100% stainless steel. We have our L2, which is our light and loud option, and it's the lightest option. Then we get into our Q6, which seems to be everybody's favorite. It makes within about 1 horsepower of the L2 system, but it is considerably quieter. Some will argue that it's quieter than stock. It gives them a better sound. It gets rid of that rattly and that tingy sound. And it's been the most popular muffler for this model by far. So with all these parts and components combined, you're going to see a 12 to 18 horsepower increase. The 12 horse is your peak horsepower gain way up on the top end. The 18 is down low in that 5,500 RPM range. Again, you can get a good look at it on the graph we're putting here on the video, or you can look at it on our website. We have some comparative drag racing videos to show you what you can expect for gains when racing another stock machine. This is the same setup that we use in all of our racing applications. We might change the clutching stuff a little bit just with the different tire combinations, different terrains and stuff we race on. But this is pretty much the same base stuff that you see us racing at all the races and stuff, and it's killer. We typically and normally expect to have the fastest cars at every one of the races, and we normally do. So same stuff that's available to you to ride out on the trails and stuff, still runs on 87 octane fuel. And your base price, the kit started about $2,500. There's lots of different options with different elevations, different tire sizes, the different mufflers, but the base kit started about $2,500. And if you guys got any questions, let us know. Otherwise, check us out on the website at speedwerx.com. Check out our YouTube page. Follow us on social media if you're not, and we'll catch up with you guys soon.